Hey, what's up guys? Today we are looking the new very cool video. Before we go to the video, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and leave a comment saying I'm subscribed, and we are trying our best to personal reply to your comments, so let's go. EV charging station, 32 amps, 240V, 7 kilowatts, level 2, home EV charging station. Easy to use, do not need an app to run it or home network connection. Car RearView Mirror, dual recording, split screen synchronous display, one key switch front and rear recording screen. Delivers clearer video images. Monitor and alarm obtain evidence for the accident and protect the car 24 hours. GPS track history, car driving path will be recorded, and real-time payback on CarKeeper app, share car life, have travel records or interesting videos to share with friend. Car washing gun. Simple Life car wash spray nozzle. Strong water pressure ensures perfect cleaning effect. The design of the spray nozzle is returned to simplicity through the improvement of the internal structure. Strong water pressure ensures perfect cleaning effect. Each interface can be firmly clamped without falling off or leaking water. Mini car dash cam, 4K Ultra HD Mini 5 recording with 4K UHD 3840x 2160p resolution, 6.22 million pixels. Sensor license plates can be made out more clearly and from further away. High sensitivity 8MP CMOS Sony MX415 sensor with DDPAI unique real cube image processing technology, and comes with power f1.8 aperture at 7 glass camera lens to take crystal clear videos and pictures day and night. OBD2 Car Diagnostic Tool. NT301 OBD2 Scan Tool can not only read and clear engine fault codes, save money for you, but also have some enhanced functions, which could help you find some deep problems, so that makes your diagnosis easier. Red, yellow, green LEDs and built-in speaker indicate the readiness status for smog check. This engine diagnostic tool can also help catch intermittent problems. Car charger and FM transmitter, lossless audio decoding. A wireless 5.0 chip and high-performance audio decoding module offer HD lossless quality. A digital display shows the voltage once power up. Play music with a TF card, USB disc and AUX outputs. Plug and play from more high-quality audio sources. Cell phone mount for Tesla. Car cell phone mount for Tesla Model 3 and Y with fixed clip. Dash cam video recorder, 3-channel driving recorder, complete front camera, built-in camera, and rear camera, can record video at 1080 at the same time. Android Car Radio, 7-inch 2-DIN car navigation with GPS, Bluetooth, FM MirrorLink, USB, Wi-Fi, and rear camera. Multi-touch, more sensitive touch response, flexible slide, better light transmission rate. The display is much more clear, translucent. You could change the music volume more easily via your steering wheel and also make your driving safer. Virtual instrument for golf. Keep all original cars information and keep all original cars functions. 12.3-inch, 1920x720 HD IPS screen, max 60 frames per second. 18-color dashboard pointer, 30-color ambient light adjustment. Dual dial style, standard 260 and sport 320 speedometer. Supports real-time rear-view image, support original 360 camera images. Supports steering wheel buttons control. Car Inverter. Support fast-charging mobile devices, universal for 12 volts car models. 150 watts peak power enables power supply to multiple devices at the same time, safe and stable. Emergency power supply for devices with rated power of less than 150 watts for daily use. Car Jump Starter. Portable 4 USB power bank charging portable electronic devices, such as mobile phones, tablets, portable gaming system, digital cameras, camcorders, Bluetooth headsets, portable GPS devices, and any other DC 5 volts powered electronic devices. Powerful laptops charger 8 adapters for different kind laptops charging. Warning light function. Hey, if you like this video and want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click notification bell so you don't miss new videos. Thank you.